Hello, great people. I greet you all. You're all welcome to my YouTube channel, World Digital Skilling Oneself. If I am making this tutorial today, it's because I have noticed that many people have difficulties in downloading their taxpayer's card and to make the payment, because when you have downloaded it once and you discarded the taxpayer's card, or maybe you never had a copy of it, you need to make payments to download a new one. So many people have been having difficulties in downloading, and most have pleaded with me to help them come up with a tutorial and show them how payments can be made and for them to download their taxpayer's card. So in our previous tutorial, I've showed you how to access this platform. You type impos.cm. So when you are already on this platform, you glide to delay declaration. So at this level of delay declaration, I showed you as well how you can retrieve your taxpayer's card number. I showed you in our last tutorial. So now that you have your taxpayer's number, so you type it here. So for example, this is mine. You have a password, you have to key in the password, and now you click login. So these are my informations. Back then, for you to download a taxpayer's card was free. You needed to click on Edit, and it will give you a possibility for you to download. So now things have changed. You need to make a payment. You need to pay for a digital stamp before you can download your new taxpayer card. So when you click on Edit, it brings you to this interface. So for us now to download our new taxpayer's card, we will click on Demand the Service. You click on Demand the Service, and now this interface will appear where you will see list. So what you need to do is you click on fish above here. So there are some procedures that you need to follow keenly. So for us to download our attestation, so you come to Objet d'attestation, you click here, you choose Autre procédure, and you click Enregistrer. So it means that you are effectuating a demand. You are requesting the taxation system that you need a taxpayer's card. So this is the request number that they will give you here with the date above. So and now you have to save it. You click on Enregistrer, you save it. When you save it, you click on Valider. Now you'll be asked, êtes-vous sûr de vouloir valider? You click on the tick, yes, you want to validate. So and now when you have validated your request, you need now to go and make the payment. So you click on list, when you click on list, you discover that your request has been given, and there's a number, numéro demandé. This is the request number here. This is the request number here, which is very important. It's the request number that you need to use, and you proceed. So now at this level, at this juncture now, you click on declaration. You need to come and declare and you make payments. So at this level now, you click on timbre fiscal et redevance. It takes quite a lot of time, but you need to be patient if you want to download your taxpayer's card, because now in most banking activities you always be requested to present this taxpayer's card. It's just as your insurance. So now at this level now, you click on fiche. Yeah, you click on fiche. There is a number, the declaration number, the request number. You need to come and paste it here. So if you do not copy it, you come back to demand the service, attestation, and now this is the request number. This is your request number. You copy it, yes, and you go back to declaration. Now you take timbre fiscal et redevance. Now at this level now, you click on fiche. So you will type in the declaration number here, and now as destination, you choose demand de service DG. So when you choose it, you observe keenly that the value for the digital stamp that you need to pay, it's 1,000 francs. So how many taxpayers card copies of taxpayers card do you want? So you type in 1 and you click on save. Now they ask you, êtes-vous sûr de vouloir enregistrer? You take yes. So now you will see a message, a green band, enregistrement réussi. So it means that your registration has been accepted. It means that you have succeeded already in registering this request. So now our next step now is to make the payment. You can either make the payment through MTN mobile money or Orange, but in this our tutorial of today, I'm going to show you how to make payments with the Orange Momo. So before I proceed, I would like you to like this tutorial, keep a comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more digital and marketing skills and a lot more, and share as well. So when this is done, I will give you the codes that you need to use in order to make the payment. So if you observe keenly now, you have what we call a declaration number. So this declaration number is very vital for you to make your payments. Are we together? So I'm going to give you the codes. So these are the codes. You type hash 150 star 3 star 4 star 2 star 2 hash. When you dial that code, it will request you to enter the declaration number, and this is the declaration number that you enter. You type in this declaration number and you'll be requested to make payments. So, and they'll ask you to type hash 150 star 50 hash. When you type the code, 1,000 francs will be deducted. If, for example, you have chosen 2 quantities, 2,000 francs will be deducted. And upon that deduction, you need to wait for a while so that the system validates that you have made the payment, and you can then go ahead to download your new taxpayer's card. And for you to download your new taxpayers card, you simply have to go back to this interface here. And now, after you have made the payment, this is, you come, let me show you something. After you have made the payment, you come to, let me show you, there will be a difference. So you come to list. After you have made the payment, you will see that montant payé, this rubric here will indicate 1,000, because like now we have not yet paid. So when you have paid, you will see montant payé will display 1,000, and when you have paid, here will display 1,000. Here where there's zero now, you will display 1,000. So you will then come back to your initial page. Now at this level here now, when you click on éditer l'attestation d'immatriculation, you will then have the possibility now to download your new taxpayers card. So those are the procedures for you to download your taxpayers card when you don't have a copy of it. But make sure that you follow these procedures and you will have your new taxpayers card. If you have any challenge, don't hesitate to reach me at +237 675 880118. Walton Doom. I'll be available to assist you just through WhatsApp. Yes, and you give a little bit of motivation. So I would like you to share this tutorial to the nooks and chronics.